Welcome back to Gear Lab, your power hub for the most game-changing gear on Amazon. Today, we're diving into the 30 Evap tools every technician, contractor, and serious DIYer needs in 2025. From precision gauges to powerhouse vacuums. These aren't just tools, they're the difference between struggling on the job and working like a pro. And yes, every single one is linked below for you to grab today. Stay tuned till the end, because tool number 10 will completely change the way you work. Before we start, drop a comment below. Which HVAC tool has saved you the most time on the job? Let's see which tool wins the debate. First up, the Elitech Wireless Digital Manifold Gauge Set, LMG10U. Think of this as your command center for refrigerant management. It logs data, supports 140 refrigerants, auto-calculates superheat and subcooling, and even syncs with your phone app. Why it matters? Because time is money. This gauge makes sure you get it right the first time. Next, the VIVOHOME 1/3 HP Rotary Vane Vacuum Pump and Gauge Kit. It's a complete setup vacuum pump, manifold gauge, leak detector, hoses, and a carrying bag dot. This is your one-stop shop for a sea and refrigeration maintenance. Durable, efficient, and built for everyday work. Would you rather have one all-in-one kit or buy every tool separately? Comment kit if you pick this setup. Tool number 3 is a tech lover's dream, the FNIRSI 2C53T. It's 3 tools in one: oscilloscope, multimeter, and DDS signal generator. With 50 MHz bandwidth and a 2.5 OMSA per second sampling rate, it's portable precision in your pocket for pros who troubleshoot electronics daily. This isn't just handy, it's essential. Next, the AstroAI Clamp Meter Multimeter. This isn't your average tester. It measures a CDC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and more. It even has non-contact voltage detection for safe checks. And yes, it's rugged enough for the job site. No cutting wires, no hassle. Just clamp and test. Tool 5, the HT607 Digital Hygrometer. Accurate humidity and temperature readings are critical in HVAC, and this little device nails it every time. With dew point, wet bulb, max min hold, and a Swiss precision sensor, it's like having lab level. Accuracy in your pocket. Perfect for techs, labs, agriculture, or even smart homeowners. Next level, the Elitech PT500 and PT800 digital gauge set. These waterproof, wireless gauges connect to your phone app, calculate superheat, subcooling, and export data in Excel or PDF. If you're serious about tracking and reporting your work, this tool pays for itself in one project. Tool 7, the Robinair RG3 Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, it handles both liquid and vapor refrigerants. Built tough, engineered for safety, and only 18 pounds. If you're moving from site to site, this is the recovery machine you want in your truck. Now the Testo 550's Manifold Kit. This isn't just gauges. It's a full smart ecosystem. 2 pipe clamp thermometers, a micron gauge, Bluetooth connectivity, and hose set. It gives you precise real-time diagnostics and stores all your data. For pros who want speed and accuracy, Testo is a beast. Tool 9, the VIVOHOME 220 pounds digital refrigerant scale. Accuracy is everything when charging systems, and this delivers down to 5 grams. With a bright LCD, auto shutoff, and a rugged case, this scale means no guesswork, no callbacks, just precision. Finally, the Appion MegaFlow MGA VCT hose kit. This monster speeds up evacuation and recovery like no other. With its 1/2 bore, brass fittings, and valve core removal tool, it's engineered for high flow performance. If you want faster jobs and happier clients, this is your upgrade. The VITITE portable gas leak detector is a must-have for every home and RV owner. In just half a second, it sniffs out propane, methane, and natural gas leaks, alerting you with a loud 85 decibels alarm. Compact, battery-powered, and built to last. Over 5 years, it's not just a tool. It's insurance for your home and family. Question for you, do you already have a gas detector in your home, or is this your first upgrade? For the HVAC pros out there, speed is everything. The Spin F6000 flaring set takes the headache out of copper and aluminum tubing. Just attach it to your drill, and in seconds, you've got perfect leak-free flares. No cracks, no wasted time. It's the difference between struggling and finishing the job like a pro. Drop a comment if you've ever burned your fingers on cheap flaring tools. We've all been there. Next level? The VEVOR Hydraulic Flaring Tool Kit. With 32 pieces packed into a pro-grade case, this beast can handle everything from brake lines to heavy copper piping. Hydraulic power means less effort, more precision, and zero frustration. It's built tough with hardened steel ready for years of work. This isn't just a tool kit, it's your all-in-one workshop in a box. Need heat? Meet the TAUSOM MAPP Gas Torch Kit with a trigger start ignition, brass nozzle, and flame that hits 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for brassing, soldering, welding, or even DIY jewelry making. The holster keeps your canister secure, and that 5-foot hose means you can work in tight spots safely. If you've ever struggled with weak flames, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Sometimes small tools make the biggest difference. The Ridgid 101 tubing cutter is the gold standard for tight spaces. Cuts clean, precise, and quick through copper, aluminum, brass, even plastic tubing. Plus, it stores a spare cutting wheel. In the handle dot, it's compact, it's reliable, and it's the tool that pays for itself on day one. Dirty coils kill efficiency. The Coil Cannon Cleaner Sprayer makes cleaning air conditioner coils simple and powerful. Just set your dilution ratio, spray, and watch grime disappear. Compatible with any cleaner, built tough with brass fittings, and big enough to keep you spraying without constant refills. Cleaner coils mean colder air, lower bills, and happy customers. Pair that sprayer with the legendary Nu-Calgon Evap foam. Just spray it on, no rinsing required. The foam expands, breaks down dirt, oil, and grease, then dissolves on its own. Safe for food areas, corrosion resistant, and it leaves afresh. Lemon scent. Quick, powerful, effortless. That's why pros swear by it. Now, if you want portable coil cleaning power, this is the holy grail. The SpeedClean CoilJet CJ125 brings a rechargeable, water plus chemical system anywhere you go. Rooftops, attics, mini splits, it cleans where hoses and power outlets can't. Reach. Yes, it's premium. Yes, it's worth every penny if you're serious about HVAC work. Bent fins are airflow killers. The Cenipar 2-piece fin comb set straightens them fast. With 6 sizes plus a stainless steel comb, it's lightweight, durable, and keeps your AC running like new. This tiny kit can save hundreds of dollars in energy. Bill's not bad for a pocket-sized tool. And finally, meet the silent workhorse, the Aquastrong condensate pump. Small but mighty. It moves up to 85 gallons per hour and lifts water 20 feet vertically. Automatic shutoff, safety switch, and whisper quiet operation make it the ultimate. Companion for air conditioners, furnaces, and DE8UMIDIFIERS. It's compact. It's powerful. It's the upgrade every HE system deserves. Ever wish adding a new water line was as easy as snapping Legos together? This John Guest Speed Fit adapter valve makes it real. Push to connect, no plumber, no leaks, no stress. Perfect for ice makers, roll systems, or coffee machines. One twist, and you've got a new water feed. Simplicity meets pro-level reliability. Question for the comments: what's the first appliance you'd hook this up to? Coffee maker or ice machine? Let me know. Plumbing project? This iCrimp PEX Tool Kit is a 5-piece beast. Secure connections for 1/2 and 3/4 PEX tubing plus a cutter and copper ring remover. Built like a tank with forged steel jaws, yet compact enough to throw in your tool bag. If you're serious about DIY plumbing, this kit pays for itself in one weekend Asterisk plumbing project? This iCrimp PEX Tool Kit is a 5-piece beast. Secure connections for 1/2 and 3/4 PEX tubing plus a cutter and copper ring remover. Built like a tank with forged steel jaws, yet compact enough to throw in your tool bag. If you're serious about DIY plumbing, this kit pays for itself in one weekend. Imagine waking up to a flooded basement. Nightmare, right? This GoviLife Wi-Fi water leak detector is your shield. A 6-pack with smart alarms, app alerts, and even Alexa reminders. With a 1968-foot range thanks to Tech, covers your whole house. One tiny leak detection could save you thousands in damages. Would you put these in your kitchen, bathroom, or basement first? Comment below. Dust, mold, or pollen don't let your lungs take the hit. The 3M 8511 N95 respirator isn't your average mask. It's got a cool flow valve that makes breathing easy, plus 95% filtration against airborne junk. Perfect for woodworking, drywall, or even mowing the lawn during allergy season. Protect your lungs because you only get one pair. Eyes are priceless, so why risk them? The No-Cry safety glasses are fog-resistant, scratch-resistant, and ANSI 87 certified. Adjustable fit, wraparound protection, and 100% UV blocking. From construction to the shooting range, these keep your vision sharp and safe. Safety, but make it comfortable. What's the last project you wish you had better eye protection for? Tell me in the comments. Kneeling on concrete? Torture. Enter the Selstrom Nipro Pads triple foam cushioning, hard outer shell, and speed clip straps that actually stay put. Contractors, roofers, gardeners, this is pain-free productivity. Save your knees now. Thank yourself later. Hands-free lighting just got smarter. This rechargeable headlamp gives you a 230 wide beam plus 5 modes and motion sensor control. Wave your hand, boom, light on. Perfect for camping, late-night car repairs, or working under the sink. Waterproof, rechargeable, and you get 3 in 1 pack. Absolute must-have. Asterisk. Be honest, are you a flashlight person or a headlamp person? Comment your team below versus. Hands-free lighting just got smarter. This rechargeable headlamp gives you a 230 wide beam plus 5 modes and motion sensor control. Wave your hand, boom, light on. Perfect for camping, late-night car repairs, or working under the sink. Waterproof, rechargeable, and you get 3 in 1 pack. Absolute must-have. Be honest, are you a flashlight person or a headlamp person? Comment your team below versus. AC not cooling? Don't waste money guessing. The Teleglow AC Leak Detector Kit exposes leaks with UV dye, a pro-grade injector, and a 68 LED flashlight. Works on R134A, R1234YF, and even R410A mini splits. Mechanics love it, dyers save. Hundreds using it. Spot the leak, fix the problem. Chill again. Now, once you fix that leak time to recharge, this R134 Recharge Hose Kit has a 51 inches hose, 200 PSI gauge, and self-sealing tap. Works with R134A, R12, and R22 systems. Car AC or home AC, this kit makes sure you're running ice. Cold in minutes, simple, reliable, and cost-saving. Would you try recharging your own AC if it saved you $200 at the shop? Smash that like button if yes. And there you have it, 30 must-have Giga tools for 2025 that separate the pros from the rest. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the trade for years, these tools save you time, boost precision, and make the job easier. All the links are in the description. They support this channel and help us bring you more pro-level gear finds. Question for you, which tool on this list would make the biggest difference in your work? Drop your answer below. We read every single comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because on Gear Lab, we don't just review gear. We bring you the tools that level up your life. Check out our other gear roundups right here, and we'll see you in the next video.